This is what we're working with today on this chassis. A couple of the lights in the back of the chassis wasn't working. The right signal light not working. I got everything else working back there except for the right signal light. This green wire right here, that's for the right signal light. So once I checked the wire down there at the back, notice I wasn't getting no signal from it. I got power and I got ground, but I don't have no signal. So that's why I came up here and how I found this wire disconnect. I got this right here. So this, once you plug it into the pigtail of the truck, like you see, the light that's flashing, that's my right signal light. So once I see that I have signal right here at the plug, I know the problem is not the truck and it's not the pigtail. So once I plug this into here, then what I did, I pulled this back, this rubber piece, because I cover all this up. So I pull it back, it was down here, and I could access the wires from down here. So I test the green wire down here. I noticed I wasn't getting any signal either. So that's when I pulled this back and noticed that the wire was disconnected. And the reason it disconnect, this whole thing is basically shut. You can't loosen these up. So this done. I got a spare one. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it out. I noticed these two were disconnected also. So I'm just gonna hook up the new one, clean all these wires up. They have a jump on here. I'm not sure why they have a jump on here. So I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna plug up all the wires. But one of these is supposed to be a marker light. So what happened is one of these wires were bad for the marker light, so they went and jump it over on this side. So I'm going to hook up everything the way it's supposed to be hooked up and see what the real problem is and just go ahead and take care of it. When it comes to working on the trailers, my electrical, it's not that hard. Everything come in right here. ABS for the ABS light, ground, left and right signal light, marker light, clearance light, everything coming in right here for the trailer electrical. So you have problem down there at the back and everything, you're not getting no power, you're not getting no ground, you're not getting no signal. Next place to come check is up here. If you're getting it up here and you're not getting it back there, then you know it's the wire. It's that simple when it comes to electrical on these trailers. Okay, so I can't find the new one that I have. I found some, but the back are different. If you look on some of my old videos, I replaced one before where the back, you don't connect the wires like this. You just push this whole part onto this back piece and the wire is already there. This one, the old ones I have, like you could see the lip break off. So I'm going to end up doing is taking this out, switch it out with this. So I'm just going to put this black piece in this one and we're going to connect the wires to it and see if it works. Okay, so I got the new one in there. What I'm going to do now is disconnect all these wires, connect them here, and I'll put a diagram up here so you could see which wire go where. And also these are color coded. So you say brown, green, red, yellow, black, white, and the middle one is blue. And all the wires right here have that color. Well, I'll put a diagram up here just in case you're working on one and the colors don't match up, which wires for which light, and then you could put it for whichever light for these colors right here. And you always have this to reference back to know which light goes where. Okay, so I got all the wires connected. Alright, that's a left signal light. On this side, goes to the right signal light. And your marker light and your clearance light is a two-top green. That's solid. The marker light and the clearance light. The bottom one is your brake light, which not going to be on now because the brake light is not on. But the bottom green light, that's off right there in the middle. That'll be your brake light. All right, so all my lights working right here. All the wires connected. Got this light on. Got this light on. It's LED, so you might not be able to see it on the camera, but this light is on. And this light is on. Likewise, you might not be able to see it because it's LED. And then I got all the lights back here on. Alright, so everything working on this chassis now. All I need to do is finish paint in the middle and underneath it, and it'll be good to go. And this the old one I take off, so I don't need this one no more. But what I need to do is buy a couple spare ones. If I could get just this, I'll buy it. If not, I'll get the whole piece right here that come with this in it. Good to have them as spare, especially if you're dealing with a lot of trailers or a lot of chassis like I'm doing.